There's a lot of quality flying airplanes up there, I tell you what. Still a couple getting in the air, which is awesome.
Oh! Are you still up?
Down low, bring it down low. Bring it down low. We are coming in hot right now. Make sure you're flying out past near the flappy dude, closest to the flappy dude-ish, right? Closer to the flappy dude and out in the edge.
I missed it again.
So not over the runway, but more over towards the flappy dude. And also, combat is still happening in terms of limbo and combat. So, see Otter? I'm gonna say, ooh, that guy almost pile drive that guy.
Oh!
See you later. Sea Otter is now a land otter.